Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are diving into the world of Canto, a unique EVM compatible blockchain with a laser focus on revolutionizing decentralized finance or DeFi. If you're eager to learn what sets Canto apart and how it's making waves in the crypto space, you're in the right place. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we proceed, I just have to share something with you. Thanks for all the great comments I got on my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel for future updates on any cryptocurrency related topic. And I have a Bitflex link below and some other links to Bybit and some places where you can mine Bitcoin for free, so make sure you use those links. You can get some extra rewards for doing so. Let's just dive into this video. What is Canto? Canto is abbreviated as Canto is more than just another blockchain. It's a game changer in the world of decentralized finance. Launched in August 2022, it's part of the Cosmos Atom ecosystem, designed to work seamlessly with other chains and decentralized applications dApps. But what truly makes Canto shine is its commitment to making DeFi accessible and free for all. Yes, you heard it, free for all. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because this review is bulked up in sections. Okay, so headlines, and some of the most important headlines are to the end of this video. Now we are going to talk about meet the visionaries behind Canto. Behind every groundbreaking project there are visionaries who lead the way. Canto is no exception. It was founded by a team of DeFi enthusiasts, including Scott Lewis, co-founder of DeFi Pulse, and the masterminds behind Slingshot Crypto and Plex. Scott Lewis takes the helm as the leader and contributor, while Plex is responsible for developing the network's front end and free public infrastructure. Neobase also plays a crucial role, managing the Canto EVM blockchain explorer and providing an analytics dashboard. With this dream team, Canto's future is looking brighter than ever. Now we are going to talk about what sets Canto apart. Canto has a bag full of unique features that distinguish it from other DeFi-focused blockchains. Its anti-establishment ethos and dedicated to democratizing DeFi tools have been the key to its rapid success. Unlike many other projects, Canto boasts no official foundation, no token presale, and no vested tokens. Instead, it aims to offer fearless DeFi services to crypto users across the globe. So now we are going to talk about the free public infrastructure for DeFi. The heart of Canto's mission is to provide free public infrastructure for core DeFi components, decentralized exchanges, DEX, stablecoins, and lending market protocols. It's like the Robin Hood of DeFi, taken from the established and giving to the masses. In Canto's ecosystem, the Canto DEX, Canto lending market, CLM, and Note token work together to create a vibrant, fearless DeFi environment. The Canto ecosystem. Let's take a closer look at how these pieces fit together in the Canto puzzle. Liquidity providers deposit tokens into the Canto DEX and earn Canto tokens as rewards. For people who do not know what this is, you deposit tokens into the Canto DEX and earn tokens as reward. Liquidity providers. So this is people that want to provide liquidity to and getting back rewards. It's like staking, but sometimes you earn more. Stakers not only govern and expand the Canto lending market, but also incentivizes developers. Users, the lifeblood of the network, enjoy zero fees and create network effects. Canto's commitment to zero fees. To ensure that DeFi remains free for all, Canto infrastructure prohibits its main DeFi primitives from issuing governance tokens or collecting fees from future users. Liquidity providers from other protocol traders and investors offering arbitrage all enjoy zero fees within the Canto ecosystem. The Canto DEX and its uniqueness. The Canto DEX, a core component of the ecosystem, stands out for several reasons. It doesn't undergo upgrade, lacks an official interface, and remains free to use through the Slingshot DEX aggregator. It uses an automated market maker AMM mechanism sourcing liquidity from liquidity pool LP, trading pairs and rewarding creators with Canto tokens, which can serve as collateral for loans. Introducing Canto's Note stablecoin. Canto's Note stablecoin, a dollar-pegged ERC20 token, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. It's over-collateralized by loans to CLM and is perpetually pegged through an algorithm interest rate policy. Users can borrow Note by providing Canto ETH, Atom, or Canto LP tokens as collateral. It's another piece of the puzzle that makes Canto truly unique. Canto's token distribution. You might be wondering about the Canto token supply. Currently, there are 423,437. So this is a huge number of Canto tokens in supply. I think it is 423 million in supply out of a total supply of 1 billion tokens. These tokens are distributed across contributors, settlers, grant liquidity mining, and more. Now we are coming to the most important things of this review. Security measures of Canto. Canto ensures the safety of its network using Cosmos Network's Tender Mint Core consensus mechanism and Canto validators. It also utilizes the utilizes the Ether Mint system for EMV compatibility, enhancing its overall security. So now we are going to check out what one Canto is priced at. 12 cents, almost 12.5 cents. And guess what? It's gone up over 44% the last days. But I just have to say something. When I do these reviews, it doesn't mean that I'm standing back or behind any of the tokens I'm reviewing in these videos. It's just to get out tokens and value to members and YouTube members and wanting to give value back. Okay. So this is not the financial advice, but this coin has gone up 44% the last day. So you will do whatever you want to do with your money, but make sure you check out Bybit below. We have a link specified for my YouTube audience where you get up to $30,000 bonus for signing up to. Okay, so you have to put in some money to get those rewards, just saying. And you can mine Bitcoin on your phone or 𝐂𝐫𝐞oin. Check out in the description of this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, make sure you learn as much as possible, and then you will eventually earn. Have a great day. Take care.